Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone has YouTube, WhatsApp, and a reliable downloader or converter. You open the short you want, tap Share and Copy link. Do this now. Once done, open the downloader app or web, paste the link, and choose MP4 output. Choose a mobile-friendly resolution like 720p. Make sure storage permissions are allowed so the file can save to your gallery. This gets the actual video file ready for editing and WhatsApp upload. Now you edit the downloaded MP4 so it fits WhatsApp rules and looks good. You trim the clip to 30 seconds or less using your gallery editor or a light trimming app. This keeps viewers engaged. Then set the crop to 9/16 vertical or center the subject so it displays correctly on status. Once trimmed, compress if the file is large, use H.264 MP4 output, and choose a bitrate that keeps quality but lowers size. After that, preview to confirm audio, and finally, open WhatsApp and go to Status, tap Add, and choose your trimmed MP4 from the gallery. You add any caption, stickers, or mute audio as needed, then tap Send to publish. The status stays 24 hours. Make sure to preview on your device and, if possible, a friend's to confirm sound and aspect ratio. If WhatsApp rejects the file, reconvert it to MP4 with H.264, lower the bitrate, or record the short via screen recorder as a fallback and retry. This fixes most compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.